Hi everyone, this is Troy with TabSite. Today we're going to take a look at our Pinterest pin deal engagement application. This is a TabSite application that allows you to offer deals via Pinterest. So requiring someone to pin an image to their Pinterest account and then they can get a deal from you. So it'll reveal a deal, whether that be a percentage off or a coupon code or something like that. So we're excited about this. It's a great use of Pinterest and a great way to virally utilize Pinterest and image pinning to create deals and exposure for your business or service. So let's get started. We'll take a look. Today I've posted a icon here called Pinterest Pin Deal. So we're going to click on that. And as you can see, this is our deal. There's a large image right here. It's 810 by 500 pixels tall, 810 wide by 500 pixels tall, and that is also showing our like, tweet, G+, share options to help virally get the word out. That's at the top. Also, that is at the bottom here as well. It'll tell us how many offers are available, and this is limited to the first 200 visitors. The red pin to reveal Pinterest is the button that you'll click to actually pin the image to your Pinterest account. Below that, we have a comments box allowing people to comment, and also, their comments go out and their friends will see that they commented on that, and it's a great way to get the message out there as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the Pin to Reveal Pinterest tab. That pops open our Pinterest box here, and I'm going to pin this image. And just so you note, this image is actually different than the image behind here. So you can actually pin an image that is different than the image showing above. So I'm going to pin this image to Pinterest to my TabSite.com account, and I have a little message, pre-populated message in here that says get 33% off TabSite, limited to the first 200 signups. So I click pin, and that has actually gone to my Pinterest account. I'm going to click see your pin, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. Right there, you can actually see our image that has been pinned, and people can comment on that, and so forth. So when we go back here, it has refreshed and it's shown us back on the fan page, shown us that at checkout, enter the below code to get your 33% discount. Enter code PIN deal. We hope you enjoy TabSite. Be sure to tell your friends about this deal. So this is the deal you can use, the customer can use to type in pin deal at checkout. They get their 33% off, and they've also virally shared your image so that all their friends and so forth can see this as well. So that's kind of the front end of this. Once a deal has expired, another image that you can put up there will say, this deal has expired, and so forth, so they know that the deal is no longer available. So right now, let's take a look at the back-end management area of this, kind of show you how this works. I've got my pin deal open on TabSite here, and the pin deal details is simply that first image that we saw, uploading them and telling them that they need to pin that image. Below that, we have an optional image. It's kind of a checkout box, then upload an image below to have users pin an image other than this specified image. So we did that. We have actually pinned a different image than the original image. So if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. You can have them just pin the first image up there. But in our case, we decided to pin a different image in that, give them instructions, and then pin a little bit different image. Below that, you can deal limit settings. We limit it to 200. We have it set to expire October 5th of 2012. And then we have the deal reveal image. And this is where we have the image that says pin deal. So once they've shared this on Pinterest, fan page will refresh. They'll be able to see the code that they need to put in there. Below that is an option for a downloadable deal. If you have a PDF book or anything like that, you want them to pin and then download this. They can even download a PDF coupon or whatever you want there, so they can download that. We didn't choose that option. We just have the pin deal graphic up there as well. And then below that is a deal over image. And this is the image just specifying that the deal has ended. With all our engagement apps, we have social sharing options. As I noted, the like, share, tweet, G+, and this includes Facebook comments, and that is on the bottom only. You can have these other ones on the top or bottom, but those are always available with all of our engagement applications. They'll be available at the top or bottom. The title, description, and another image there is Works with the like, share, and G+. Those are some pre-populated text you can put in there to when someone shares, likes it, or G+ is this, they can actually get some of your text in there instead of requiring them to type their own text and allow them to do that a little more easily. The tweet text is same thing with Twitter. You can pre-populate some text when someone decides to tweet that. The text is already there. Your message is there and consistent. You can also add a like gate, which will force users to like your page before they can even get into the deal. So that's another great way to get new likes. So they can like the page, then they go into the deal process as we did. We don't have one up in this case, but that's an option you can put in there to have a like gate or not. We have different link color, text, and background color styles that you can choose from. We also have some promotional tools. We integrated a little icon here which generated some code that we can put on our blog or any website or any place that will accept that code. We can drop that out and promote that outside of Facebook. Below that we have what's called a smart URL. This is for mobile or PC, and this is the URL that we highly recommend utilizing when you're posting this to your Facebook wall or anything like that. When someone clicks on this, this allows them, if they're on a mobile device, to actually see the pin deal and interact with it from their mobile device. And Facebook right now third-party apps don't actually show up, third-party tab apps I should say, don't actually show up on fan pages at this time. We hope that's something that they'll be changing in the near future, but using this URL gets around that and pushes them outside of Facebook so they can still see this deal outside of Facebook from a mobile device. Below this we have advanced configuration. These are text fields that work with the pin deal, and these are for people who want to change the language. So if you want to do this in Spanish or Russian or whatever language you choose, you can change some of this information and it'll be displayed in that different language. So we're catering to everyone across the globe and allowing them to be changed in that manner. So that is our pin deal engagement application. We look forward to seeing you use it, and if you have more questions about pin deal or any of our Facebook applications, feel free to contact us or check out www.tabsite.com.